Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're going to be installing the Tyger T3 Soft Tonneau cover. We're going to be giving it the car wash test to see if it stays dry. We'll see how this works.
The only tool you need is an Allen wrench that's supplied with the tonneau cover. Let's unbox this. As you can see, it's a very large box. You can see it comes shipped with a cover that if we take it off, we can just put it right back in it. There's a weather stripping and hardware. Let's flip this over. We'll have some extra packaging to take off the tonneau cover. Let's open up the hardware. These will go into the bed rail. Let's open up the rest of this packaging. Now these are spacers if you need them. Okay, so this is how it will go in. You'll use that Allen wrench to just tighten it up in the bed rail. You'll have two up in the front. Just get them situated. We'll measure here in a minute. Okay, you can see how they're installed. They're not tightened yet. But let's measure. It looks like it's about 12.5 foot. So we'll measure from the top of the bed, about there, and we'll adjust later. Right, you'll need to adjust this screw to get it below the bracket. And once it is, tighten it up. And then we'll install the safety latch. Alright, it's tightened. Let's do the other side. Alright. Let's fold this down. Let's remove some of this packing materials. Now we're just getting things situated. We're not done yet because we still have to put on the weather stripping and then we have to tighten up the Allen bolts. We're just getting these brackets in place right now. Alright, you'll have to unscrew those as well to get it down on the first try. You'll be opening this up a lot when you access your truck bed. You can see where it should be there. Alright, let's tighten all Allen screws now that we've got our brackets in place on the bed rail. Alright, let's add our weather stripping. There'll be just two spots up here at the front of the bed for a Tacoma. That's all we really need. Reattach the front clips. I think we've got everything set here. So this is how you can roll it up to the front. They are secured by these latches here. So anytime you need your truck bed, you don't want to take the whole thing off, you can do that. And that's how you roll it down. All right, let's attach these down here at the bottom to secure it. Here's a better view. And click. Alright, let's do our car wash test. Let's watch it through the Stinger High 10. We are dry. Check this out. This looks awesome. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time.